Welcome to Bonal Technologies video on ways you can expand stress relief capability. Hi, I'm Tom Hebel. I'm here with Greg Merritt. We'll introduce 3 of the 15 ways you can expand stress relief capability with confidence. A second way you can expand stress relief capability is while you wait. This example comes from NASA, which they were making the Deep Space Telescope. That's the Hubble telescope. And that's the telescope that takes those nice pictures from Mars. Anyway, they wanted to get this aluminum cylinder as concentric as humanly possible. Previously, they had to send these cylinders out of state several times during manufacturing for a specialized process. And the reason, obviously, they wanted to stress relieve is to maintain machine stability. With Meta-Lax, they were able to stress relieve these cylinders less than an hour, and the parts never left the plant. They were able to save themselves over 6 months lead time on that one capability right there. The next example that we have is the third way to expand stress relief capability is on-site stress relief. This example is a main support truss for bridge. And as you can see, it's being stress relieved on location somewhere. Which actually gives me an opportunity to talk about that. This equipment is powered by 110 electricity, so you can actually run it off a generator anywhere you want to, and that's what they were doing. And the reason they were stress relieving this is to prevent premature cracking. There is a different kind of on-site stress relief. It's a different twist. It could be valuable to many applications. And that just simply is stress relieving outdoors. This example right here is stress relieving cross tubes for a vibration screen deck that's used in the mining industry. And this is out in the storage section of the company. And the reason they were stress relieving these cross tubes was to prevent premature cracking. And as a matter of fact, the result is that the company eliminated premature cracking in 600 cross tubes stretching over a 4-year period in the mining industry. So that definitely was taking some doing. The 11th way to expand stress relief capability is treating parts with differential thicknesses. This is the second example coming from Bonal. Notice this right here. You've got a channel that has a 1/4 inch wall thickness or web thickness that's welded very close to a 6 to 7 inch thick block that needs to be stress relieved. To heat treat stress relieve this would be an absolute nightmare. The result would be either severe distortion or partial stress relief of the block. Yet it's just routine for Meta-Lax application. And of course, this reason why the stress relief is to prevent machine distortion. That was the previous example was from Bonal, but I'll give you another one not from Bonal and not a weldment. This part right here, this example is an impeller. And this impeller was machined from a solid block of stainless steel, 15 inches thick. So the center's 15 inches, and the edges around the blades feathered down to 3/8 of an inch thick. And on the bottom platform that you see there, right there towards the edge, it's about a 1/2 inch thick. Meta-Lax stress relief was applied no problem, and they were able to machine to extremely close distortion control.
You can see we have 5 different force inducer choices, and that allows us to do the parts that you can put in the palm of your hand to these 480,000 pound workpieces. So a force inducer selection is made, and then a console selection is made based on how sophisticated you want to get in the documentation of the workpiece. So we have something that's going to fit anybody's budget for sure.
We hope you realize there's no need to skip stress relief or be concerned about stress relieving difficult or impossible parts anymore. You can have confidence in Meta-Lax. If we can help you out in any way, let us know. Thanks for joining us.